Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create 3D text on curved 3D surface with the help of FreeCAD Shape from Text tool and with the workbenches like Draft Workbench, Part Design Workbench and Part Workbench. Today we create step by step this 3D text on curved surface with FreeCAD tools. These are the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D text. Click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. I created already a solid part with a curved surface on the top. To add a text on solid part, first switch to Draft Workbench. Activate Shape from Text tool and then set the position, the size, and the text type in the dialog field. If you want to insert the text at the origin, activate the Reset Font button. In the string field, type a text what you want. Choose the text type from Windows Font Library. Now convert the text to sketch with the help of Draft to Sketch tool. Hide the original text. Now switch again to the Part Design Workbench. Now I will change the appearance of the sketch. Select the curved surface, then the Attach Sketch tool. Here, select the text sketch and then click OK to confirm. Now the sketch is supported by the curved surface. Double-click the sketch and then sketch a rectangular profile with construction line around the sketch. Close the sketch. Now, we need the curve workbench to map the sketch on the surface. If you don't have a curve workbench, install it from Add-in Manager. I installed it already. After installation, restart the FreeCAD again. Now select both the top surface and the sketch and then activate the Sketch on Surface tool. As you see, the sketch is projected on the surface. As you see, the orientation of the text is not correct. First, correct the orientation of the text with the help of Reverse U tool. Change the horizontal orientation to the option True. Change also the vertical orientation V to the option True. Now, the text is correct positioned. Set the thickness value and also change the Fill Faces option to True. There is also a possibility to change the appearance and the display mode of the text. If you want to create a one solid part from the 3D text and the solid part, switch to Part Workbench and use the Union tool. Select the body and the sketch-on surface and then activate the Union tool. The 3D model with the 3D text is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.